In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete inbox rules in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever had emails automatically moving, forwarding, or flagging in ways you no longer want, an old inbox rule is usually the cause. Deleting that rule stops Outlook from applying it going forward, and the process is quick once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can clean up your mailbox behavior with confidence. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. We're working in the desktop application here. Give it a moment to load your mailbox so everything is up to date. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner of Outlook. This opens the Backstage view, where you manage account settings and tools. On the Info page, click the option labeled Manage Rules and Alerts. This is the central place where all your message rules are listed and controlled. The Rules and Alerts window will appear. Here, you'll see a list of your existing rules, usually with columns that show the rule name, whether it's turned on, and sometimes a brief description of what it does. Take a moment to scan the list and locate the rule you want to remove. Look for the name you recognize, or read the description if you're not sure. Choosing the right rule here ensures you only delete what you truly no longer need. Once you've found it, click the rule to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. This tells Outlook which rule you intend to act on. Now click Delete. Outlook will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently remove this rule. Confirm the deletion when